Bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Comment ça va? Ça va bien? Ou ça va mal? Ou ça va comme ça? Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. How are things going? Are the things going well? Or are the things going bad? Or are the things going so-so? J'espère que tout va bien à votre côté. I hope that everything is going well at your end. Mais aujourd'hui, j'ai mal à ma tête. J'ai mal à ma coude. J'ai mal à ma jauge. Oh, today I have headache. My throat is not well. My elbow is not well. Mais ce n'est pas vrai. It's not true. Je vais bien. Je vais très bien. Aujourd'hui, dans cette vidéo, je vais vous apprendre les parties du corps. Today in this video, I am going to teach you the parts of the body and I am absolutely well. So, happy learning! Allons commencer par les parties du corps. Let's start with the parts of the body. I have given you the parts of the body along with the definite article the. As I told you in my last video on articles that French is gender specific. In French, every noun has a gender, masculine or feminine. So it is always better to remember a new word, a new noun or a body part along with the article. It will help you out in reducing the mistakes. For example, in Hindi, we call aankh, meri aankh. We don't call it mera aankh. So while learning the body parts, it will be better if you remember the gender also of that noun. So let's start. Allons commencer. The first one is the body. The body is called le corps. Le corps. Then the next one is the face. The face is called le visage. Le visage. Just see, I have put a small dot in under je. I have made it the sound of je. Je. The way we call it in measure. It is that way. So it is le visage. Le visage. If you have any problem regarding the pronunciation, you can check out my video on pronunciation also. It is in lesson number 2. You have to be very particular about pronunciation. If you learn it properly from the very starting, your French is going to be excellent. The next part is the head. We call the head as la tête. La tête. La tête. It is feminine. In Hindi we call it mera sir. Lekin in French it is meri sir. La tête. Next is the hair. It is called les cheveux. Les cheveux. The forehead. It is le front. Le front. The sound of R is also very different from the R that we have in Hindi. It is not exactly the R sound. It is a little bit of H sound or R like this. The next one is the eyebrows. Les sourcils. Les sourcils. Then the eyelashes. Les cils. Les cils. Now see the eye. The eye we call it l'œil. L'œil. And for plural it is les yeux. Les yeux. There is a huge difference in the spellings of it. You have to learn it thoroughly. It is l'œil and les yeux. Next is the nose. It is le nez. Le nez. The mouth is called la bouche. La bouche. Then the cheek. It is la joue. La joue. Then for plural one, les joues. Les joues. Same way, ear is called l'oreille. L'oreille. And for plural one, it is les oreilles. Les oreilles. Then tooth is la dent. And plural, les dents. Then lip, la lèvre. And plural ones, les lèvres. Then chin, le menton. Le menton. Neck is le cou. The tongue, la langue. I have written the pronunciation in Hindi. So you can take a printout of it. Or you can just write it down. And you can paste it somewhere like on the almirah or on the wall. And you can learn it properly. The more you practice, the better it will be for you. Next, shoulder is called l'épaule. Over here, I have been written the in front of all. You know that it is along with the. So you can write it down or otherwise it's okay that you know that it is along with the definite article. First is shoulder, l'épaule. It is feminine. And shoulders, it is les épaules. Chest is la poitrine. La poitrine. Arm, le bras. Le bras. And arms are called les bras. Les bras. Elbow, le coude. Hand, la main. Finger, le doigt. And fingers, les doigts. Stomach, we call it l'estomac. L'estomac. and it is masculine, or we can also call it le ventre. Le ventre. Leg is la jambe, and the plural legs will be called les jambes with an extra e, with an extra s with jambe, and at the beginning it will be les, les, les. The knee is le genou, le genou. Thigh, la cuisse, la cuisse. Foot, le pied, le pied. Ankle, le cheville, le cheville. Toe, l'orteil, l'orteil. It is masculine. Then toes, it is les orteils, les orteils. Hip, la hanche, la hanche. Waist, la taille, la taille. For hip, you see, it is not a silent H, so we haven't used apostrophe with it. It is la hanche, feminine. Thumb, we call it le pouce, le pouce. Skin, la peau, la peau. Fingernail, l'ongle, l'ongle. Navel, for masculine it is called le naval, and for feminine it is la naval. Wrist is le poignet, le poignet. Now see, eye, ear and toe. The spellings are l'oeil, oreille and orteille, l'orteille. There is little difference in their spellings. First one is without R, second one is with R, third one is with R and T both. So you learn the spellings carefully. Don't confuse in between them. Let's learn the internal body parts too. Les parties internes du corps. First one is heart. It is called le cœur, le cœur. Next is kidney, le rein, le rein. Blood is le sang, le sang. The sound of 100 is also sang. So it is pronounced the same way as we pronounce 100. Le sang. Lungs is les poumons, les poumons, and it is masculine. Bones. Bones are called les os, les os, and the bone is masculine. Throat. Throat is called la gorge, la gorge. It is not George, it is gorge. Brain. The masculine version of brain is called le cerveau, le cerveau, and feminine is called la cervelle, la cervelle. Intestine is called l'intestin, l'intestin. So this is all about the body parts. Now I have a small exercise for you. Do try it. There is exercise 1 and exercise 2. Try both of them, and then at the last page there are answers to it. You can tally your answers. Bonne chance. Faire l'exercice 1. Do the first exercise. See the spellings of exercise. It is exercice. In French it is exercice. So the first exercise is écrivez le nom de chaque image. You have to write down the name of each picture. Après cela, faites the exercice 2. After that, do the second exercise. Écrivez les articles définis. Over here, you have to write down the definite article. Le, la, l'apostrophe and les in front of each picture. It is to check whether you know the gender of that particular noun or not. So do both these exercises carefully. Bonne chance. And after that, check the answers. Here are the answers to exercise number 1. I hope you performed well. And here are the answers to exercise number 2. You check your answers. If the performance is good, then très bien. If not, then learn all these again. If you like my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Au revoir. À bientôt.